Hey, are you looking for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage? Well, we got one for you right here in the beautiful community of Fairfield. Come on, let's take a look. This chef-inspired kitchen is a true masterpiece. From its stainless steel appliances to its beautiful granite countertops, every detail has been carefully chosen. This is more than just a home. This is a setting for a life well lived. Want to experience the magic for yourself? Contact me for a private tour and get ready for your next chapter.